Hey guys, quick return here. We're back and live again at 10:15. Running the main for Spencer's two Black Imperials. Top two each win one. And Mike, this is a tough weapon to find naturally. Here we go. We got 10 spots, so great odds for somebody winning. 1 and 5. Gonna roll the dice. Got to get a 5 or better to play. We did. We got an 8. So we're cooking. Cooking with gas on a Sunday morning. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Ken and Steven take round 1. Steven and Ken round 2. Sergio and Dave round 3, mixing it up. Andrew and Hans 4. Steven and Kenneth again on top in round 5. Steven dominating round 6 with spots 2 and 3. And in our next to last round, Kenneth and Steven occupying the top spots, bringing us to the final round. Good luck, guys. Here we go. And our winners are Steven and Sergio. Congratulations, fellas. And at spots 3 and 4, respectively. Fish Slug, FSHSLG is our verification code. There's our results. Again, I'm done at 10:17. Life is good for Steven and Sergio. There it is. One last time. Whammy. Congratulations, guys. See you next time. Happy New Year.